Something else to consider is how these levels may react to changing context. As a general rule, a broken area of support may turn into an area of resistance when broken. Conversely, if an area of resistance is broken, it may turn into a support level later, when it's retested. These patterns are sometimes called a support-resistance flip. Area of support breaks and turns into resistance when retested. The fact that the previous support zone acts as resistance now confirms the pattern. As such, the retest of the area may be a favorable place to enter a position. Another thing to consider is the strength of a support or resistance area. Typically, the more times the price drops and retests a support area, the more likely it is to break to the downside. Similarly, the more times the price increases and retests a resistance area, the more likely it is to break to the upside. Following the chart instructions will allow you to earn extra profits. I will keep you updated. Please subscribe to my channel.